I am in Tampa for another cruise. Now, I flew in actually 2 days before, or a day and a half before, and I am here in Hyde Park. We found ourselves at a little art walkthrough, and we're killing a few hours before we go to the meetup in Sparkman's Wharf with everybody. You will see that live. I'll link the live to this vlog, but this is just like a pre-day Tampa vlog. I had asked Sherry from Destinations Fun where we can go and hang out for a little while. She directed us to Hyde Park, and here we are. So I'll show you. We have some familiar characters over there looking at some pocketbooks that I'll show you in a minute. But yeah, come along with June Brady, Uncle Brady, and Aunt June and myself as we figure out this Hyde Park art market. Ooh, look at the snowman. Look at the snowman.
Delicious.
And look, Aunt June already found a cruise pocketbook. Look at that. How cute. How cute. How artsy. How demure. You know, if I had to compare Hyde Park to anywhere, I feel like this is kind of like a Montauk without, well, actually there is an ocean here, but it kind of reminds me of like Montauk a little bit. You know, you're kind of walking out, you got these nice little shops, you can window shop, you have little festivals going on, so it kind of reminds me of Montauk a little bit. Upscale, a lot of the restaurants are, you know, pinky out kind of restaurants. Yeah, pretty cute, pretty cute. My aunt and uncle were having some nachos and some chips, and you know, I was brought up by Richard from No Pants Profits, so we have to get the authentic thing here at Irish 31, and that's the mulligan stew. So mulligan stew, it kind of looks like chili, okay, but this is the signature dish to get here at Irish 31 Pub down on Hyde Park in Tampa. So let's give it a try. Got a nice big chunk of chicken. I don't even know what's in here, to tell you the truth, but it was the authentic dish here, and we got to try it. Huh. It's like chili meets some kind of Italian chicken dish, because there's definitely ground beef in there, there's definitely chicken in there, and it kind of is like chili, but I'm down with it. I know I'm going to be doing some more drinking later, so this will definitely coat the stomach. We got some oyster crackers in there. I love oyster crackers with my chili or my soup. But yeah, Irish 31 down on Hyde Park, off of Hyde Park a little bit, not too far. Irish 31 Pub. And I would recommend the mulligan stew. Not bad. Cheers. All right, so actually, unbeknownst to me, there are some unique drinks to Irish 31. And I actually found one. It's called the I-31 Cider. Now, I'm not normally a cider guy or a cider person, but our waitress said it was phenomenal. It was definitely one of her recommendations, so we'll give it a try. Definitely smells cidery for sure. Ooh, that is a really good cider. Again, like I said, I don't do ciders much, but I don't know. Richie from No Pants has me getting authentic things that are unique to the bars and the pubs that I go to. So I guess, Richie, this one's for you. Cheers. But yeah, this I-31 cider, not bad at all. I like it. So something free in Ybor City that you can do while you're trying to kill some time. Aunt June is here, and Uncle Brady's here, and we are riding the free trolley in Ybor City. So it actually goes all of the piers and all the way through Ybor City, and then it goes all the way back down Channelside Drive. Let me show you the cool thing. You have one place to sit here for the conductor, and you have another place down there. So he was actually just driving us all the way down here. He stopped, he flipped over all the seats, and now he's over here. So isn't that pretty cool? And then it is 110% free, obviously. give the guy a little tip, but 110% free. It goes back and forth all day long. I think I peeped, it was like 7:15 or 8:15 at night. It goes back and forth. So something that you could do in Ybor City for free. So Aunt June, Uncle Brady, and myself are sitting over here at Sparkman's Wharf, and we're right across from the Florida Aquarium. And who do I spy with my little eyes? But it's Eddie Lugo and Alice Lugo Studios. Hey, look at them. Florida Aquarium. We're not going to the Florida Aquarium, but I just saw these two, and we had to come and say hi. So we're gonna continue our craziness, but we just had to come and say hi to these two crazy nuts. You guys know these? You guys know these nuts? That guy right there. You guys know these nuts? Crazy. And guess what ship this is? Not getting on this one. Not getting on this one this time. Even though last time I was here, I was getting on that one. I'm not getting on that one this time. But which one is it? Can you tell by the stack? Get a better. What cruise ship? What cruise ship? Port of Tampa. We're getting on a better ship this time. Not by a lot, but we're getting on a better ship. Like that much this time. If you answer the Margaritaville at sea, I get it. Margaritaville at sea, can you see it? Well, if you answered Margaritaville at the sea, you clearly watched my vlogs, or you just know what cruise ships are in Tampa. But we're not getting on the Margaritaville at sea. My aunt won't let me get on the Margaritaville at sea. We're only going on Carnival, so right, Aunt June? We don't go on Margaritaville at sea. Only me and Uncle Brady go on Margaritaville at sea. She ain't going on Margaritaville at sea. So we're getting on a Carnival ship tomorrow. That's slightly better than the Islander. Right. All right, so this is pretty cool. You see, this is where we ended up. We're actually at 11 here. We'll probably take it all the way back down to 9. But where I showed you before was 1 up here over in Ybor City. Technically, we're still sort of kind of in Ybor City, but what they did was they flipped this around here, right? They turned all the seats around so you're not going backwards or going forwards. And you can see here, right? This is stop at the end of the way. They make everybody get off, and it runs. Let me show you guys. It runs every 15 minutes here. Okay, so we stopped at 4 o'clock, so we'll re-go at 4:15. That's why we're all sitting here and we're waiting until we can go back to Sparkman's Wharf. But it is completely free. So if you want to ride the trolley on Channelside Drive down to Ybor, completely 110% free. So we sort of, it's like our almost second complete go around, but we had to come back around. Well. Look at who I spy with my little eyes. Look who it is. I think I know some of yous. Oh! It's both nuts. It's the banana guy. Look at him. Oh! Hey! Wait, she's here, wait! Uh-oh, Sparkman's Wharf about to go down. Uh-oh, she's trying to get me and I'm trying to get her. Look at this. She's recording me, recording her. What do you think about this, Eddie? She's recording me, recording her.
Get your popcorn.